Out here in the wild, every second of life begins with risk. This is a zebra, and right now, she's doing something incredible. Bringing a new life into one of the most dangerous places on Earth. There are no doctors. No safe spaces. Just instinct and survival. Within minutes of being born, this baby has to do something unbelievable. Stand up. Because in the African wild, if you can't stand, you don't survive. Lions, hyenas, and predators are never far away. They are always watching, waiting for moments like this. But the mother doesn't run. She stays. Protecting, guiding, pushing her newborn to rise. And then, the miracle happens. Wobbly legs, shaky steps, but it stands. If moments like this amaze you, hit like and subscribe for more incredible wildlife stories. A brand new life, already learning how to survive. Because for zebras, life doesn't start easy. It starts fast. And in just a few minutes, this fragile newborn becomes part of the wild.